C. 265. U equals x squared plus 1 du dx equals 2x. So dx equals du over 2x. So the integration now becomes x over root u du over 2x. X's cancel, and that would equal a half integration u power minus a half du, which equals a half u power a half divided by a half plus c. So that's equal to root x squared plus 1 plus c. 266. U equals 1 minus x squared. So du dx equals minus 2x. So that means dx equals du over minus 2x. So the integration now becomes x over root u dx is du over minus 2x. The x's cancel. So that's minus a half integration of u power minus a half du. Looks very similar, doesn't it? So that's minus a half. Increase the power by 1. Divide by the new power. So that's minus u a half plus c actually. So that's minus root 1 minus x squared plus c. Okay. Okay. 267. So that means du dx 2x minus 2. So that's du over 2x minus 2 equals dx. So this integration becomes integration of x minus 1 u cubed du over 2x minus 2. So they cancel, and that's a half integration of u cubed du, which is a half u 4 over 4 plus c. So that's 1/8 x squared minus 2x power 4 plus c. Okay. To 68. So du dx equals 3x squared minus 6x. So that means dx equals du over 3x squared minus 6x. Okay. So the integration would be x squared minus 2x times u squared du over 3 x squared minus 2x. So they cancel. And integrating, that's 1/3 u power 3 over 3 plus c. So that's 1/9 x cubed minus 3x squared cubed plus c. Okay. Yeah. Let's have a look here. 269. So du d theta equals cos theta. So that means du over cos theta equals d theta. So this integration becomes cos cubed theta du over cos theta. That cancels down to square. And cos squared is 1 minus sine squared, which is 1 minus u squared du. So that becomes u minus u cubed over 3 plus c. So that would become sine theta minus 1/3 sine cubed theta plus c. Yeah. And then 170. So again, something similar is going on here. It'd be integration of sine squared theta, sine theta, d theta. And if u equals cos theta, then that means du d theta would equal minus sine theta. So if I put a minus here and here, then minus sine theta d theta, that would be du. Minus integration sine squared du. Sine squared is 1 minus cos squared. D theta. Sorry, that should be no, du. And that is cos squared, which is u squared, minus 1 du. That's u cubed over 3 minus u plus c. So that's 1/3 cos cubed theta minus cos theta plus c. Okay, maybe we should check some of these answers. I can check 269. Sine. Yeah. And then I remembered that being right. And I think I got that earlier. So they're looking okay. 270.